Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate Odoo with your WhatsApp. So first guys, you need to pick a WhatsApp API provider like Twilio, GovShop, or the 360 Dialog, and then sign up and of course get your API keys. And here guys, in Odoo guys, activate developer mode so you can add custom integrations or install WhatsApp modules. And here guys, install a WhatsApp integration module in Odoo or use a custom module linked to your API provider. And enter your WhatsApp API credentials, your URL, token, and phone number ID into the module settings. And then now you can send messages directly from Odoo, like order updates or the customer replies. And that's how you connect Odoo with WhatsApp guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!